Hey, future neonatologists, are you ready to take the plunge into one of the most fulfilling and intricate fields in medicine? Today, I'm here to guide you through the journey of becoming a neonatology fellow. Neonatology, the branch of medicine that specializes in the care of newborns, especially the ill or premature, is not just a profession, it's a calling. It demands not only a deep understanding of medical science, but also immense compassion and resilience. Firstly, let's talk about the groundwork. To step into neonatology, you'll first need to complete a residency in pediatrics. This is where you build your foundation, learning about all aspects of children's health. Make sure to excel in your residency, as this significantly boosts your chances in a competitive fellowship application. Next comes the fellowship application itself. This typically involves submitting your academic records, letters of recommendation, and a personal statement. Remember, your personal statement is your moment to shine, to show your passion for neonatology and what drives you to pursue this specialty. Once you're in a fellowship, brace yourself for an intense but exhilarating ride. You'll be working closely with premature and sick newborns, involved in critical care decisions, and participating in cutting-edge research. It's crucial to stay updated with the latest in neonatal care, so engage actively with ongoing studies and findings. Networking also plays a critical role. Attend conferences, connect with other neonatologists, and participate in workshops. These connections can be invaluable as you advance in your career. Finally, always keep your empathy and patient-centered approach at the forefront. In neonatology, your tiny patients need all the care and love they can get, and so do their families. Becoming a neonatology fellow is no small feat. It requires dedication, hard work, and a heart full of hope. But remember, every long night and challenging day is worth it when you see a baby thrive because of your care. So go ahead, take that step and start your journey to becoming a beacon of hope for countless little lives. Thanks for watching, and I'm cheering for you on your path to becoming a neonatology fellow.